3, 2, 1!
Sa lahat, at right now I am in a gas station. We are going to get gas. So unfortunately dito sa US, sariling sikap, you have to gas up yourself kasi walang nag-gas up sa atin. So join with me, magpagas tayo. So of course, bago ang lahat, we are going to open up our gas tank para makapag-gas. Ayan, nagpapagas tayo. Habang nagpapagas tayo, upo muna tayo dito. So, ano na kasi ako kanina, I was like 35 range on my gas. So, kunti-kunti na lang, magtitirik na yung kotse natin. So, before magtitirik yung kotse natin, pagas na tayo. Diba, hayaan na natin yan kasi it's just one of those pumpy. Kumusta kayo guys? How are you everybody? So, do you know that before you gas up, you have to turn off your engine? Alam ba ninyo yan? So dapat alam nyo yan ha. Hindi pwede. So malapit na, ayan, nagpapump by itself. Full tank tayo. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung full tank gas natin. So, yeah, malapit na matapos. Hintay muna tayo. Magkiklik yan kapag natapos na. Just click! Grabe yung allergy ko talaga today. Papakita ko. So, ayan, nag-click na siya. So, wait a moment. Ayan, tapos tayo. Pero, hindi lumabas yung receipt. The receipt didn't come out. So, oh well. So, ang gagawin natin ay, we have to make sure, we have to use sanitizer. My sanitizer is Into the Night kahit araw from Bath and Body Works. Ayan. Kinakailangan magsasanitize tayo kasi who knows kung ano ang hinahawakan nila dyan. Hinahawakan nila yung dapat hindi nila hinahawakan, diba? So dapat magwash tayo. So ayun na, bakit ganun? Tapos na ang ating pagasolina at we are going away. Nakasarado na yun. It's $32 full tank plus cents. So, I am completely full tank right now. So, naging yung range ko tumaas. Ayan, full tank na tayo. At saka yung range ko ngayon is 316 range. So, this gas will last me all the way to the end of the rest of the week. Yan, so, alis na tayo dito. We do wanna stay here for a long time. Let's go! Buckle up, buttercup. Alis na tayo. I'm actually in my lunch break at 9:16. So, I'm not sure kung may ano ako today. If I have done 7-Eleven here in Tampa, here in Florida. I'm not in Tampa right now. I'm Lanoa Lakes, Florida. That's the place I work. So this is an area. It's a little bit the countryside of Florida, Tampa. Tampa is the city part of Florida. One of the cities, like Miami. But I work outside the city, which is, I like it better this way. Dahil the traffic is not as bad as working in the city. So as you can see, all those leaves, all those trees is yellow because they are pollen allergy. Look at those trees. If you can see all those trees up there, kung makikita mo yung mga kahoy na yan, yung yellow. Ayan, tinatawag na si Habibi. Saan yun? Kuha, gusto mo, ayan o, may isa. Gusto mo kuha ko? Barrymore Hotel.